Hello, my name's Emma Grace and I like making things out of recycled and natural materials. Today we're going to be creating nature mandalas. A nature mandala is a round shape made up of patterns and arrangements using natural materials. The mandala actually originated from Buddhist and Hindu religions as an aid for meditation and prayer. For me, it's a wonderful way of enjoying my natural surrounds while taking some time to be creative just for the sake of it. So we start this project by going for a walk in nature. Come on. Gather things that catch your eye. Look out for different colours, shapes and textures. Look closely, there might be interesting things hiding up high or down low. Remember to respect your environment when you're gathering. Leave enough for the bees and don't take too much from one plant or one place at a time. So here's some of the materials I've gathered. I have some leaves, flowers, sticks and gum nuts. Start by placing something special in the middle of your space. I've chosen a big bright flower from my garden, but you can choose anything you want. Now decide how you want to arrange the next layer. I'm placing my sticks in a radial pattern. You can spend 2 minutes or 2 days making a nature mandala. It's a beautiful process to get lost in. This one took me about 30 minutes, so let's speed things up a little. Use patterns, colours, shapes and textures to create your own unique mandala. This is the part where you get to be creative and have fun. Almost finished. So I've used some white flowers and bright orange petals to contrast with the green grass. I've created a circle using the stamen of a bottle brush flower. I've layered purple petals on round leaves, and I've created a pattern using olive leaves either side of the sticks. So that's it. You can basically make a nature mandala out of anything, anywhere. I really hope you have fun making your own at home. Bye for now.